How to activate prepaid meter in Nigeria. So if you want to activate prepaid meter in Nigeria, then first you need to plug in your prepaid meter. Once you've plugged in, now you will have a code, a 20-digit code on your customer card. So you just need to simply take your customer card and then you need to enter the 20-digit code and then hit the enter on your prepaid meter. And after that, your prepaid meter will be activated. And if you want to check the prepaid meter balance, then you can simply press 009 and then hit the enter and you'll be able to check your prepaid meter balance. So in order to activate, you just need to simply enter the 20-digit code or your meter number. So simply enter your meter number and then press the enter and your CIU will display as successful. This means the process was successful and you can proceed with the recharge. So in this way, you'll be able to activate your prepaid meter in Nigeria. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.